Right. Freaking go. Last card.
Those lips are so enticing. Okay. Crimson Potion. Easy.
Healing. And Brawler. There's a compass there too. Word.
My compass.
Can you do your bird whistle?
I can't. I've lost my ability to.
Do it. The only thing I wanted from you for forever.
Yeah, well, it's hard to do, and unfortunately,
It's so like hot and sexual though.
hot. Well, wow, that's kind of weird that you want me to do something hot and sexual to you.
Not to me, just for me.
Okay, that's like the same thing though. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Sorry, I'm not paying attention. I'm not paying attention. My head's
Yeah,
somewhere
that
else.
was like a
Yeah, I got
very,
distracted by the topic at hand, and
Yeah, see, he wants the bird whistle too.
I don't know about that. Thanks, that heal.
Well, doesn't matter anyway, I guess.
it doesn't.
Like, if you've seen like people doing bird whistling, like those videos of people bird whistling, I don't even compare.
Anthony, it's not the bird whistle, okay? It's the fact that you're doing it.
No, it has to be like content of the whistle. Like people can actually do like trills with their tongue.
You know what? If
Oh,
you do it, I'll
you're-
record it, and then you'll never have to do it again.
No,
Thank you, please, yeah, so I can listen to it over and
I
over
can't. I
again.
can't have you soundboard that. No, I won't let you.
Why not?
You've only, okay, Anthony, please, you've only ever done it like twice, and it was so fucking good. It was the best bird whistle I've
Yeah,
ever
that
heard
was
in my entire
twice
life.
in
You're being
like
modest.
2016, 2017.
I know,
That
and
was
you've
like
never done it
4 or
since.
5 years ago.
Anthony, I'm sure if you just look, how about this? How about you practice, okay, and then
Practice.
Friday.
Do you
go
think
to
there's
your-
gonna be like videos on YouTube of people doing like bird whistling
your
techniques?
classic bird whistle Friday? How about that?
I guarantee. Oh god. I guarantee you, there's gonna be like a bird whistling. What's it called? A whistle for bird whistling. I can like
Whistle
cheat.
off.
Yeah, a whistle.
It's kind of like one of those hog calls videos.
Whatever it takes. What will it take for you to do the whistle?
I need to be good at it first of all. If
Anthony,
it's
you're
bad,
fantastic at it. You're just being modest. Okay?
oh my god, I fell, and I'm gonna die here.
Best bird whistle I've ever heard in my entire life.
You heard it. You heard it twice.
I know, and it's the
How
only
can
thing
you-
I've ever thought of for the
How
past
can you make an
5 years.
educated judgment on you listening it twice 10 years ago?
You don't understand.
I think you don't. That times have changed. Donald
like,
Trump isn't in office anymore.
It's like divinity to my ears.
We've done things. God. Dude,
Oh, you kill me every round if you do the bird whistle.
I need to learn how to block shots because this Crimson Potion is not worth it unless I block shots. Oh wait,
Walker.
blocking. Oh, it just says blocking sheds. I thought it said blocking shots. Okay. Wow, I missed all those shots today. Can you stop? Thank you for that. So now,
Oh.
it's not healing me.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
over time. It's like a passive thing.
That is cringe.
Cringe. Based cringe.
Anthony, it's like you had, like, I had cancer and, like, you had the cure for cancer and you just weren't giving it to me.
Well, that's a
Just like
method that
Obama,
doctors
bro.
use to make money. Yeah, like Obama. He knows cancer is treatable, but he just doesn't want it for the money.
Yeah,
Like, he's
exactly.
being strong-armed by Big Pharma.
What will it take for you to do the bird whistle? I mean, there has to be something.
$1.2 million.
Okay, something I can provide for you.
$1.2 million in a loan.
Something that I can provide for you.
The
that maybe, like, I
grant.
normally wouldn't.
Yeah, a grant of $1.2 million.
Then you get to Then,
And then I can start my own bird whistling like school.
Anthony, if I had $1.2 million,
oh, the grant is
give it
for
to
the
you
bird whistle.
in a heartbeat. Okay? But
Hold on. I'm kind of
I
stuck.
don't have those resources.
Do that again. The heal.
Actually, heal. So bird whistle.
That you didn't really specify that in the terms of
It's
service.
implicit, it was implied. If I ask for it on my deathbed, will you do it?
God damn it. No.
God.
I'm gonna die before you.
Thank God.
Really terrible.
Dude. Sorry.
Y'all are actually awful. I'm like sitting there on the hospital bed with cancer. You got the cure for cancer.
I'm gonna
You
be
won't
in the
give it to me.
grave, alright? I'm gonna be like buried in the beaches of like Shanghai after a failed attempt at invading China, okay?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Listen, I'm not gonna get exempt like you because you're kind of rich. You live in the rich neighborhood. I'm a poor man, right?
What are you
I'm gonna get
talking
Talking
about?
about
I'm gonna
World
get
War
drafted
III.
in the World War III, okay? This is how it's gonna happen.
Give him a bird whistle and they'll.
I'm gonna give him a
Yeah,
bird.
they'll be
That'll
like,
dip.
you're a famous bird whistler. This is what communists need. It's bird whistling. It's what they're missing. It's gonna make them democratic.
It's too late for me. I'm consigned to my fate. Ow.
You know, if I could bird whistle, I would.
Yeah, well, I'm not asking for it. This thing. I killed. No.
There has to be something I can give you.
Well, I said $1.5 million. I mean,
Something reasonable. Something within.
Something not
Something with-
absurd.
you can take out a loan. Your dad can take out a loan for $5 million.
God.
Boy.
I don't know why I turn into like Crash Bandicoot whenever I getting shot at.
That's not fair. You have bullets that. Hold on. Hold on. This
You
is-
shot yourself, Capemay.
Okay.
Oh!
How did you do that?
No! What? I totally shot you there, but
He
it just
did that
didn't-
1-2 move on you.
You're the old one too.
Oh wow! I just killed myself here. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is not good.
Yeah. Same here, dude. This didn't work.
Shockwave. Woo, let's go.
Okay. 5 bullet bounces, even though I have 1 bullet. Let's see how this goes.
That'll see.
Me. Oh, that didn't really bounce because it hit you immediately. Kind of ruined my bullet bounce there.
I ruined my groove. Yeah.
Bye. Whoa. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Didn't bounce
Ouch.
it either. Kind of ruined my bounce there. I got that card specifically for the bounce, so if you would like to use it, actually use it. Like that one, it didn't bounce again, so help me out here.
I'm gonna.
You're fine, dude. You chill.
I'm not sure.
Yep.
Repair. Fastball. Heck yeah. Now my poison bullets move at the speed of light.
Oh, jeez. You missed that shot. You didn't miss that shot, though. That was really very precise.
Good shooting, man.
Shooting, man. Shooting.
He just stole my hill. He just stole my hill. He just stole my hill. He just stole my hill.
Jam.
You didn't steal that then.
I didn't. Dude.
Damn. Whoa. Okay, that was a miscalculation. That was even. Oh.
You're just like a little goofball. You're just like a little goofball.
Oh. Crit scare. Yeah.
Imagine killing yourself on this spike.
Thanks for the health. Appreciate it.
Gotta really stop giving this guy health.
I just stop doing that, bro.
It's really damaging my prospects of winning.
This map's not good for me.
This map is amazing for me.
What the heck was that? Those heals. Thanks. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I gotta get the precise angle. So
Okay. Time out.
there it is.
He's gonna shoot you again.
The hell? Oh, okay.
It still worked.
Alright.
That was awesome.
Coming for you.
What do you mean coming for me? My bird whistle?
I am coming for you.
Oh, I'm leaving. Bye. Hey.
Oh man, hurt my feelings.
It didn't hurt way more.
What? Came in my butt.
Whoa! I didn't do anything of that. Whoa.
You're gonna have to take responsibility, Anthony.
You're not a father. Oh, I guess you can't be a father if you're in the butt, but... Hey, chill out! Hey!
Are you so big, bro?
He's a behemoth, he's a monster, he's a raid boss.
He's a raid boss.
Yeah.
Is that what, you got the raid boss?
Yeah.
Oh,
he got-
yeah. Oh.
And he heals. Those are the worst type of bosses that heal.
Too bad there's
Not
too many
saying that you're the
boxes
worst.
on the map that punch you in the
I'm not
face.
feel like the worst or anything. Like,
I'm
the
not
worst
trying to
type of
imply that
like,
I'm not trying to
you're
imply
like
that you're
exactly
the
like
worst.
the worst, but like I'm not saying that you're the worst, but like you're exactly like the worst.
But
Like,
you're
not
like-
the worst. Like if you look in a dictionary for like the worst, like you'd pop up. Like you're not the worst. Like you don't know what to do.
Whatever.
I have more poison than you do.
Kill the raid boss. Your team
Alright.
character said.
And it was character development. I just hit myself there.
You know, a real like Shyamalan like character twist would be if you just gave him the bird whistle right now for nothing.
Bird whistle?
Drama on.
Is that like the MacGuffin of the bird whistle?
It's the only thing I want in life. You can believe it.
Kinda sucks with my bullets.
That one doesn't even acknowledge what I said. It's kind of sad.
I was busy concentrating on killing you. Sorry, what'd you say?
Miss, let's go.
If you want to say it again, I'll listen this time.
Wait, what?
What?
You said you'll whistle this time?
I'll listen this time.
I heard whistle.
Well,
Or-
you heard
can I
wrong.
take that?
Hearing what you want to hear.
Can we get a replay on that? Can we get a replay on that?
This is classic.
Let's get a replay on that. Let's
Whoa!
go back in the edit, get a replay on that.
That's kind of cringe.
Hold on, we're gonna start. The raid boss is healing, okay?
Yeah, I see that. I don't want that to happen.
I
I didn't
ain't
really
just-
do much to stop it.
Yeah.
You blocked it? Wait, what? I think you blocked that one.
Yeah.
There's a raid boss.
Wanna heal you?
Sorry,
What was that?
Yeah, it's just behavior, my bad. It won't happen again.
Oops.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Cringe. Whoa! If only I could shoot faster.
Yeah, I think he's got you beat just because of your reload time.
Maybe if I make him shoot himself. Oh, never mind. Whoa!
Oh,
Watch
sorry.
out
I
there.
didn't mean to shoot you.
Yeah. Oh no, my bullet! My own bullet shot me. What a cool twist of fate. Take out that other pylon. You know what I'm saying?
My
I
poison
read you
is
loud and clear.
than yours.
was crazy that.
I was
Well,
just paying attention to the pylons, man.
Get away from me, creep. Oh, that was. Oh, wow, that really hurt. You really got me good there. Oh, but you missed me. Oh, but I'm dead here.
Health for sure.
You know, you're so freaking welcome, man.
I hit myself though. Sorry. Hit myself.
Words.
Fucking hate that card.
Poison. That's gonna do wonders for you.
The projectile.
Die. Oh.
My bad.
You know what? You can have this.
I don't want that. I thank you for your gift, but I didn't want it.
Though.
No, I'm back. Wait, I want to leave actually. I want to leave.
Burger? Uh oh.
Why'd you say burger?
I don't know. My brain literally just said burger. I don't know why.
And that took like a second to register.
I was in shock saying it as well.
What kind of burger?
Bunker?
What game is that from?
I don't know.
Bug Snacks.
Bug snack? What?
I'm pretty sure it's called Bug Snacks.
The burger? No.
I know Germa played it.
Well, I don't watch it.
You said you did.
You literally were
At the
talking
beginning
about how
of
you were
this
watching
section.
a movie.
Oh, I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't watching Germa's. I was watching Stir's stream. Heads up. Yeah, they're both playing, and I was watching Stir instead.
I see how it is.
I
I don't even want the bird whistle anyway, to be honest.
I know it's kind of a shock,
I thought you were a fan.
but I'm a fan. I'm just watching Stir.
Can you get out of my way? What are you doing down there?
I'm not shooting you. You're the raid boss, bro.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh, why is he coming away from me?
You kill me? Alright, Anthony's just swoop in there and get the win, man. He's just gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you, man.
I won't get the win.
Mark my words.
Back at you.
What? It killed me.
Yeah.
What killed me right there, dude? What the frick? You want to continue this? Collier? Alright.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for playing. Appreciate it.